Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor Tires, and in this video I will show you the gameplay of the Singaporean NFT game Age of Tanks, and also I will tell you guys later on what makes this NFT game very promising at the same time impressive. So in this part of this video guys, I will show you the private game testing of this NFT game. So here guys, there are two modes of battles. We have the 1 versus 1 and also the 7 versus 7. So in 1 versus 1, you'll need here one tank, one NFT only for you to go to battle. And also on 7 versus 7, of course, obviously you will need here 7 tanks or 7 NFTs for you to go to the battle, okay? So let's click this 1 versus 1 solo. So you have here guys different tanks, different NFTs you can choose from. So you can only select one here. Let's say this one. I don't know. Let me look for something more. Okay, I'll go for this one. Okay. And then just click start play. So this game, guys, is automated. So you don't have to do anything. And for you to have a different perspective of the gameplay, all you have to click are the space bar or the L key. So this is the battlefield, guys, and they will just fight against each other, and you just have to wait which between the two would win the battle. So I guess I'm not gonna win in this one. Look at that, 471 and 818. Yeah, I'm gonna lose here. Okay, we lost there, guys, but don't worry. It's fine. Now let's have a try, guys, on the 7 versus 7. So here I already have my 6 cards. So let me just choose one more card. I'll go for this one. So we just have to study, guys, the skills also of the different NFTs here. I already have here the different information about the skills, like here for the offensive skills and also for the defensive ones. So we have to check this also before we really select our team. So at the moment, I just chose this 7 out of nothing. I just feel like I want to choose these 7 cards here. Well, anyway, let's try playing, guys, and see if we can win this time on 7 versus 7. So again, this is automated, guys. You don't have to do anything. You just have to stand by and wait for the game to be over. 2, 1. And you can just click the space bar for you to have a different perspective of the battle, like that one or that one. Okay. So they will just fight against one another, and hopefully we win this time. I don't know if there is a feature here wherein you can speed up the battle, but hopefully they will have that feature sooner. Okay, we won there, guys. 7 versus 7, we won. So it took, I guess, around 5 minutes. Yeah, less than 5 minutes before the battle ended. So far, it looks good. I mean, you don't have to do anything, you just have to wait. And you just really have to study the skill so that you will have a very good team with a high probability of winning during the battles. Well, anyway, this time, guys, let's have a look on their website. So this is their website, guys. They already have their trailer, which later on I will show you. And then Ironclad, this is actually their document about the game. Anyway, so welcome to Earth 0 year 23,100. The ozone layer that protectively embraced the planet no longer exists. During this time, exposed to harsh solar storms, the skies rage with turbulent winds. This is an age without oceans. This is an age without flight. This is an age where the flight for supremacy hinges on having the ultimate armored vehicle. That's why, guys, as you can see in the setting, it looks very deserted. And then the world's first self-assembly 3D Tanks NFT game. So Age of Tanks is a 3D turn-based strategy game where gamers build and command their fleet of tanks to storm the battlefields in their quest to conquer Earth Zero. The game starts with a free basic tank for players to scavenge for brodium, the precious element fused from the second impact, a crucial raw material for building the supreme tank. So this is what you have to gather, brodiums. So this is play to earn, of course, and build the ultimate war machine. Scavenge, collect, forge, and assemble 4 parts to build the ultimate war machine. So you will only need 4 parts to build a war machine. I don't know what those parts are. More than 500 parts, each possessed with different affinities, skills, classes, and special abilities. The turn-based, so they will have PvE campaign, PvP battle, conquer, guild battle, and also champions of the earth. So I guess this is going to be a leaderboard that can lead your tanks to be turned battle with all your champion for free, that can be fully customized, not really, upgraded and eventually equipped with powerful items that can lead your tanks to victory in the battlefield. Guild battle, join a guild and fight beside each other to raid other guilds on Earth Zero to earn special guild rewards. This is going to be a very interactive game, guys. PvP arena, showcase your tanks and skills in the 1 versus 1 or 7 versus 7. And the PvE campaign, brodium is the in-game resource that can be farmed by playing PvE campaign. So we have to play on PvE campaign. Brodium earned can be used to unlock various rarity mysterious war chests to obtain critical tank parts for assembling war tanks. Okay, so we can equip our tanks here, guys, to boost their power during the war. True ownership of your tanks, so they are NFT because we have ownership over them. And at the moment, they have these partners and investors, guys, Step VC, Shima Capital, MetaPlay, and Binance Smart Chain. Assemble out the tribe. As you can see in the quality of their website, really good. And also everything, guys, all of the information that you will need about this NFT game are already here. They have a showroom, they have their documents, their roadmap, their marketplace, which is coming soon, and also the team, guys, behind this game. I already got a chance to talk with one of the developers of this game. Anyway, these are the people behind. This is the founder, co-founder, architect, the oracle. Okay, I got a chance to talk with Sean, and they're very nice, guys. I can feel that they have the same vibes with Monster Infinite. That's why I am very positive about this NFT game. I really feel the same, especially that they are both Singaporeans developers, guys. What is this? Do your dream feel more real than reality? Well, anyway, so they are actually under Definition, guys. So Definition is a GameFi studio based in Singapore with a team of 15 strong from Singapore and China. And they are passionate on providing the ultimate gaming experience while merging traditional gaming values with new and exciting possibilities available through decentralized blockchain technology. So these people, guys, are experienced game developers already. So no doubt, guys, as you can see, they already have everything prepared for the community. And I'm really glad, guys, that I get a chance to feature their gameplay and getting access for their private testing. Anyway, guys, let's have a look at their trailer.
Planet Earth Zero, the year 23100. The ozone layer no longer exists. Once sparkling oceans were now vast expanse of sand dunes, exposed to harsh solar storms. The skies rage with turbulent winds, creating sandstorms that blanket the entire globe. The desolation of this Earth can be tracked back to one singular event, the second impact. In the aftermath of the second impact, survivors scattered across the globe, seeking refuge wherever they could. As resources depleted, tensions between cities grew. Humans scraped together old tech and unearthing relics to build robust machineries in a bid to defend or to conquer. A new age has arrived. This is an age without oceans. This is an age without flight. This is an age without the fight for supremacy hinge on having the ultimate armored vehicle. So get ready to assemble, outwit, and triumph. For this is the age of tanks.
That's your trailer, guys, and as you can see, really everything is well prepared. Anyway, guys, I will upload another video emphasizing the white paper of the game. So if you have more questions, guys, about Age of Tank, all you have to do is connect to their Discord server or Telegram channel and follow them on Twitter and also read their articles on Medium. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and also the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I have new videos on my channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye!